it is. So I'm going to go and start my KDE desktop interface in my precise change root. Here goes. This is after I've downloaded the latest rebased criat. It's trying to connect. It should. Okay, opened up. Last time I tried this, let's see what's going on. Not sure what this is. Well, it's not showing the new window, but it sounds like it's opened, because KDE gives the sound effect each time. So let me, I'll go and try and open it from the crouton integration extension. Okay, it shows up. And what's nice also is the screencast session, which is just the shell, is not showing up anymore. Okay, it attempted to open it in full screen, but connection failed. I'm going to hit the F5 window switcher key and see what it's showing in the change root. Not showing anything else. Let me try the integration again. It says it failed. Let's retry. Nothing new here. Well, I'm going to close this window and no messages here, so I'm going to go back and try this again. Doesn't seem to be working. Okay, I'm going to close it. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, let me just break out of this session and try and start it again. It worked the last time I tried it. It opened up the window and it was fine. The only thing that I noticed was the font size in my KDE session was pretty large, but the window sizes were fine. It's taking a little while to shut down. Let me try and close this window. Maybe that's part of the problem. Sorry for the delay. Oh, there it is. I'm sorry. I guess it was finished. I just hit enter and I noticed that it had finished. Okay, let's try and start it again. Nothing unusual here. I'm not going to run it in the background. We'll run it in the foreground so we can see what's going on. Trying to connect to the extension. Looks like it opened this time. It's not quite full screen, but it will be shortly. There it goes. Oh, it looks like the fonts are better this time. They're normal size. And it looks like the screen resolution is good. I'm in full screen. There's the TDE welcome audio. We got Quake running. And it does say something about, let's see, audio playback. Doesn't work falling back to pulse audio. That's fine with me. I don't exactly know what that means. I'm sorry. But the audio seems to work fine. Okay, I'm going to hit the Windows switcher key. And like Nicholas said, it eats the switch and then goes back to Chrome OS. If I hit it a second time, though, it should bring up the smaller windows, which it does. And it looks like change root's running. My screencast is running. I can select it either here and go back to the window, or if I select it here, it will open it in full screen, which it does. So it looks like all of this is working, and in fact, even my crouton cycle switching seems to work too. That's been fixed. So I go back to cross this way, and it's in a window. Sorry, it's in a window there instead of full screen. And if I hit this here, it will open it up full screen again, which it does. So it looks like everything's working really well. Get out of the way. Now I'm going to exit full screen and actually close this window. Let me maximize it first. Okay. Everything's working here. I'm going to go here and close this window. So now I don't have any windows showing the change root. It's still running though, as we can see. So now I'm going to go over here to crouton integration extension, and when I click on it this time, it will open it full screen. At least it did in the past with this new update, and it's doing it, which is really good news. Because it's not good to have a running change root and you can't access it. Alright, so looks like this is all working really well. I'm going to close down the session. I'll go ahead and exit this way. Okay. And we're already out of the change root. Still getting some messages, but okay. So it looks good. I want to close my screencast session, and I'll try and post it just if anyone's curious to see how this is working. So long. Bye.